Welcome to PurpleDaisyStudio, Art for Early Beginners. We're drawing something today that flies, but it's not a bird or an airplane. Let's check inside the Purple Daisy box and see what it is. We're drawing a helicopter. I'm tracing on top of a helicopter. I've already drawn. And I'm going to first start with a big oval for you call it the cab of the helicopter. And another great big curved line inside to form the windshield. And then just some vertical, horizontal lines. And a little arch for the propeller. And the bottom, let's just create kind of a long, skinny oval at the bottom of the helicopter. And the tail, we're going to curve down, horizontal line, and kind of curved line for the bottom, and then just a kind of horizontal stripe here we'll put across the back, and a little circle, and form the back or the tail propeller. Bring that up, and I'm going to put just some lines here on the windshield to indicate that that's glass. Did you know there's a Eurocopter and it can fly really fast, about 293 miles an hour? All right, helicopter, in case you'd also like to write it. Helicopter. Helicopter. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. And if you enjoyed the content of this video, please hit the subscribe button so that you'll be sure to receive all my latest videos. I'll see you next time.